Hey y'all, it's Hadassah back with another video. Welcome if you're new here to HP Life and Style. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle. So if you're interested in that kind of content, hit the subscribe button down below, join the family. So before we even get started, I have an unboxing today. I'm gonna be running my hands all over the bag. I need my nails done. That's happening Friday, which is 2 days from now. So don't judge me for my nails, y'all. We all have those struggle days, okay? Today is one of those struggle days for me. So this is the box right here, unopened. Y'all, it's been a while since we've done an unboxing on this channel. I feel like it's been a while anyway. But some of you may know, some of you may not. But I am actually on a no buy, and no buy my way. I'll say that because people are like, oh, no, but look, I'm doing a no buy my way. There are stipulations at which points I will get a bag. Not even necessarily a bag, just something, you know. There are some stipulations around that that I set for myself because, like I said, I'm doing this. And this was, you know, this met the criteria. So y'all, if y'all hear a lot of extracurricular rustling, my cat is having fun with some packaging in the background. So, but that's what we're looking at so far. I hope I didn't show y'all any of my information. No, this does not have my information on it, so we're good. And y'all, this bag is so big. Like, I knew it was big, but it's like really big. It's filling up this whole box. So let's take it out of the box. I had to throw that over there. And y'all already know what it is from the title. But like I said, this is what it looks like. Color. Okay, so let's get into it because, you know, we want to see how we're going to receive it. So it comes packaged very nicely. Wow, this bag is so gorgeous. So this is what it's looking like so far. So let's take, am I supposed to open this first? I think I am. I will say this magnet is strong, but let's take this off. And look at all of this packaging inside of here, y'all. It's a lot. So this is the dust bag. It comes inside of here. And it comes like wrapped, so you have to unravel it kind of. So this is what the dust bag looks like. Let's see if it'll actually fit the bag though. So yeah, I have the bag around here like this. So yeah, it'll actually fit this bag. So let's put that to the side. And you have more wrapping in the back. And another strong magnet at the back, I should say as well. And then I think we have some more on the inside. Yeah. So let me get all this packaging off and I'll come back to y'all. Okay, y'all, we are back. Finally, that only took 10 years for me to get all the wrapping off. But I do appreciate that it comes well wrapped because this bag is pristine. It's gorgeous. I mean, it's new, so as it should be. And The name of this color is Caramello. So this color is actually sold out. If you've been keeping up with this bag on the Rebecca Minkoff website, it is sold out and it's no longer in stock. So how did I find it? Y'all, one of my best friends is Shopbop. That's where I was able to find my Geller Mizrahi, like little teeny python bag, if you saw that video. And that's also where I was able to find this one. And also Rebecca Minkoff, because this bag is new, Rebecca Minkoff is not currently allowing you to use any coupon codes whatsoever on the website for this bag. And y'all know me, I don't believe in not using coupon codes. Like, you know, we don't do that over here. So Shopbop, actually, I was able to find 15% off if you use their app, or you could do Rakuten. Rakuten, at the time I ordered this, had 10% cash back. So I'll definitely leave all of those links down below. So if y'all want to buy it, you know, this sold out bag, you have to get it from somewhere other than Rebecca Minkoff at the moment. I don't know if she's planning on releasing it again. She didn't tell me because we don't know each other like that. But even though, y'all, I have been in her comments on Instagram, because picture this bag in fuchsia. Fuchsia gold hardware. Like, are y'all kidding me? That would be stunning, gorgeous. I've seen other people asking for that color as well. And she actually replied to my comment. She was like, maybe for summer. I was like, yes, please. Can we get this for summer? I will have to get that one as well. I'm going to let y'all know a purchase will be made if Rebecca Minkoff comes out with this bag in a pretty pink color. It's just gonna happen. So taking a look around the bag, this is obviously the front. This is a gorgeous, like, puffy quilted chevron situation we have going on here. And we had a peek at the sides a while ago. And then turning around to the back, you have this super spacious slip pocket right here. And I'll do a quick size reference. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And I mean, look at all, like, I could fit 4 of these in here, y'all. Like, it's ridiculous. But we'll drop that in there. I mean, you can't tell, like, the puffy gorgeousness. I can't. I mean, this is perfectly on trend with what everyone has going on right now with, for example, the Chanel 19, the big puffy quilts. Even you have the Coach, what is it called? The Coach Pillow Tabby, which is that really, it's just puffed up leather. So all of those gorgeous bags, but this one, this is the one I got, and it fits perfectly in line with all of those. I love the chevron, love the quilting, and the hardware on this is more like a brushed gold, which I also love. I mean, any kind of gold I'm gonna love, but this brushed gold, like, look at that, y'all. Gorgeous, stunning. See how it's not like shiny gold? Yeah. Okay, and then the strap. Okay, I think this is supposed to be like the crossbody option right here. And then you have shoulder carry as well, which I see myself probably doing shoulder carry more. But either way, super functional bag. And then one thing I saw Rebecca Minkoff say is that this, you see this lip? I don't know. Yeah, y'all see how there's like a lip on the top of that button closure there? So that gives it extra security in the snap. So, you know, if the snap won't pop open, you know, that's always the concern with these magnets. Is it gonna pop open? Is my stuff gonna fall out? Apparently not with this bag. I don't necessarily plan on putting it to the test, but you know, Rebecca Minkoff's word on this is good enough for me. Like I said, I'm not gonna put it to the test. And then on the inside, Let me see if I can show y'all. So you have Rebecca Minkoff right there. And then you have the back slip pocket right here. And this is what the inside looks like. So you just have that one, I said slip, it's actually a zipper pocket right here. And yeah, the rest of that is just a big cavernous space. Now, you'll see, at first, I thought that this back here was another compartment, but it's not. This is not, if you've seen pictures of the inside of the bag, this is not another compartment. This is just the back of the bag sealed up. So a lot of people also get a little confused about how you open the bag. So it's not this. You can technically, you can unhook this, but you don't have to. It's just this snap right here. So I'm not closing it all the way so I can get back into it. But yeah, it's just this snap closure right here. And that's how the bag works. So if you're thinking, oh, this is gonna be pretty cumbersome to get in and out of because of, no. Snap closure, super, super simple. But yeah, y'all, I'm in love with this bag. Honestly, like I said, I've been stalking it since it came out, since she did her fashion show. And she showed this bag, the cherry wood color. I don't know if y'all can tell that I like burgundy or not. I don't know if that's like really evident by my clothes or anything today, but burgundy is one of my favorite colors, and the cherry wood is like a burgundy with like a hint of plum. I'll put a picture up on the screen so y'all can see it. But this caramello, I mean, also this color, like I feel like caramel bags, like caramel color bags have been super popular as well. Not why I'm getting it, but they've just, you know, kind of been in my line of sight. So I've been seeing them a lot. And like I said, this color was sold out on Rebecca Minkoff's website. So if you want it, you would have to check out Shop Bop. I'll leave the links for everything down below so that y'all can see. Oh, I don't think I showed the top of the bag. This is what it looks like at the top. So yeah, and then also, I don't think I pointed out the Rebecca Minkoff plaque, like right here at the bottom. It's like the details on this bag are just so stunning and gorgeous. And the back pocket is lined the same as it is on the inside. So this is the back pocket. But this bag is super, super spacious. If y'all want to see what fits and everything, like for daily carry, just let me know in the comments down below, and I can do a video about that as well. But yes, I'll let y'all know how we're at. I mean, this is a softer, like the leather is soft. I mean, it's not super soft like a lambskin or anything, because it's not, but it's still soft leather and it's quilted and pillowy. So it's like you love touching it. Not that we don't love touching bags anyway, because y'all know we love bags over here, but this one is like I could go to sleep on it, you know, because it's that, it just feels like a comfy bag. But yeah, this is the Rebecca Minkoff Edie Maxi. I don't know if you have any other questions about the bag, ask them below. This is my first day, literally y'all saw me unboxing it. But yeah, if you have any questions, you know, you're considering purchasing or anything, I'm happy to answer the questions. People ask about weight. I mean, empty, I don't think it's that heavy, but probably if you fill it up, you know, the same as any bag, if you fill it up, it will get heavier. So yeah, that's usually how that works. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Okay, y'all, so I forgot to tell you the absolute best part of getting this from Shop Bop. So this gorgeous bag I actually ordered with 1-day shipping for $3.99. I don't know if anybody's told y'all, but Shop Bop is fully integrated with Amazon, which means that if you have Amazon Prime, you can get this bag for free shipping in 2 days, okay? But y'all know me, I'm super impatient. Unfortunately, I ordered this like literally right after the cutoff time, Monday night. But I did pay the $3.99 for the 1-day shipping, and I got it on Wednesday. My husband was definitely skeptical that I was actually gonna get it, and I ordered it Monday night and I got it Wednesday, but bam, here she is, okay? She made it. So the 1-day shipping is the truth, okay, y'all? Get your bag. But if you're not impatient like me, go ahead and save your few little coins. Y'all always advise saving coins. Save your $3.99 and go 2-day shipping. I mean, it's still Prime. 2-day shipping, okay? You're welcome. Go check out ShopBop. No, this is not sponsored. I'm just trying to save y'all some money, okay?